Hello and welcome to lesson 23. Let's learn the grammar together now. Silent letters. These letters are simply not pronounced. They are written in a word, but you don't pronounce them. Silent B. Bomb, climb, or debt or doubt, or comb or tomb. Silent L. Salmon, calm, half, would, should, could, talk, walk, and others. Silent G. Foreign, sign, design. Silent W. Right, wrong, to, whole, who, sort, answer. Silent H. Honor, hour, ghost. What? Where? Why? White? When? Which? Silent P. Psycho, psychologist, receipt, cupboard, pneumonia, raspberry. Silent N. Autumn, column, dam. Silent CH. Yacht or yacht. Silent T. Listen, mortgage, castle, buffet, witch, match. Silent S. Island. Silent D. Handsome, Wednesday, sandwich. Silent C. Scene, scissors, muscle. Silent K. Knock, knee, knife, night, know or knowledge. There are more examples. If you want to see more, just check the PDF edited to lesson 23. Another point in this lesson is whether to write ing, gerund, or whether to write infinitive with to or without to. Let's see that. There are a lot of verbs that must be followed by ing form. These verbs are, for example, enjoy, I enjoy swimming, or finish, or postpone, admit, avoid, involve, or feel like, I feel like having something sweet, or I can't stand listening to this music, and many others. Then there are a lot of verbs that are followed by to, infinitive with to. Afford, offer, demand, pretend, or try. Try to speak louder. Or decide. She decided to do that. And there are a lot of verbs that are followed by to, but then there is also object between the verb and to. Like, I want you to be here with me. I need him to help me or teach. She taught me to write. Then there are a few verbs when you can choose ing or to. I love to swim. I love swimming. Both options are okay. Please be aware that all prepositions are followed by ing form in English, by gerund. Thanks for coming. There are a few phrases in English that basically they don't mean the infinitive. The to means preposition here. It's like I look forward to seeing you. Or I'm not used to sleeping till 10 a.m. I prefer swimming to skiing. Then there are a few structures that have neither ing form nor to. Like make somebody do something. She made me cry. Or let somebody do something. Let me do that for you. There are also a lot of adjectives followed by to. It's impossible to do that. Or I'm happy to be here with you, and many others. Some other expressions with to can be mentioned here, like I don't know how to do that, or I wonder how to play with that. And there are also many expressions with ing, and some of them are very frequently used. So try to remember at least 3 or 4 of these. It's worth trying. There's no point in doing that. It's no good trying to do that this way. We have difficulty or we have trouble reading that text. It's a waste of money or it's a waste of time helping them. She was so busy doing all those things. And then a lot of free time activities like go fishing, go skiing, go cycling, go climbing, go jogging, go sailing, and others. And the last thing I want to talk about today is inversion. You remember the swamped subject, verb, object, manner, place, time. This is the basic word order in English. But sometimes there is the inverted word order. This means that the subject and the verb are swapped, and it's not a question. Normal word order would be the king stepped on the floor, and the inverted order would be on the floor stepped the king. You can find this style more frequently in books, but sometimes we also use it in speech. We can very often find it after here or there, or some adverbs like up and down or back and round. Like up went the rocket, here comes the queen. There are more examples on englishwitheva.com, lesson 23. Enjoy them. Bye-bye.